Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this look here. It's with my new Soft Glam palette and I'm super excited about it. We'll see how it goes. I haven't used it yet. I just purchased it yesterday. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so today I'm using my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I just got this yesterday and I haven't used it yet, but I'm super excited about it. It's so pretty. All the colors are gorgeous. And I'm obsessed and I can't wait to use it. So I figured I'd make a video for the first time that I use it. Okay. So, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use, so I'm just gonna wing it and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So I guess I'll start with this dusty rose color here. I'll just start with that in the crease, of course. What I really like about these palettes is I find I don't really have to use much of the product, so it goes a long way. And I find they usually end up lasting quite a while as well. Anastasia is just one of my favorite brands. It's really good. I highly recommend it. Their highlighters are bomb too. Yeah, of course I'm putting it out in the outer corner as well. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that color. So nice. Okay, now for the next color. I think I'm gonna try this rose pink one. See how that looks. I'll just use my finger to apply that. Just applying that in the inner corner and then along the center of my lid as well. Okay, I'm gonna use this glistening shade now, this one here. I'm just gonna apply that over that pink sparkly shade I just applied, just to make it a little more cool, I guess, what I'm trying to say, because it just looks like too much pink right now. Yeah, it looks a lot better. It's pretty. Using my tapered fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with that, has the same shade, the tempera one that I always use under my brow. So I'm gonna use that one because I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna use this mulberry shade right there. It's like a really dark burgundy color. I'm gonna use that in my crease just to darken up my outer eyes a little bit. I'll use that on the outside corner, the outer corner as well. It's really pretty. I really like this palette. I am loving it so far. I'll definitely be using it a lot. And then just use a little bit and move it into the inner corner just to kind of blend it all together. Make it look a little darker, like right there. Looks nice. You do that. Next, you don't want it just to look like two harsh colors. You want them to make sure they're really blended. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I'm kind of sick. Got a little bit of a cold. But I'm still doing a video, so it's okay. Okay, so I just put my false lashes on and I did my eyeliner. So now I'm going to move it into the face just to do my like contour and highlight and all that because I didn't do that. But I did my foundationing concealer already. So now I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm just going to use this fluffy brush just to wipe off any excess powder because I've been having it baking for the last little bit. Right now I'll go into contour. So using my little angled brush. I'm using my Tarte's Pro Growth palette, of course, because that's what I always used. In that shade, I'm sure you already know that's what I use now. And I'm just contouring my cheeks with that. My temples as well. Now for blush, using my fluffy brush, I'm using my Tarte Party blush, and I always use. I'm just applying that to my cheeks. Again, make sure you blend that in with your contour nicely. Okay, and when I got my eyeshadow palette yesterday, I also got this, which I'm excited about. I haven't used yet. It's just this gorgeous highlighter, and I am obsessed. I love it already. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's gorgeous. I love. So I'm gonna use that. We'll see how nice it turns out. I'm sure it will be amazing because all other products are just amazing. Just apply that. Hard to tell, but it's really nice. Nice and shimmery. You can tell better on that side. It's nice. It's a perfect color for the summer, and it's kind of bronzy, so it'll be perfect for the summer months coming up. Probably going to use it every day. That's really nice. See that? It's nice. Okay, and then I'll just still use my Tarte palette. In the color Daylight, and I'll use that on my nose. That's my fave for my nose. And go to, of course. Nice. Okay, and now go back in with my Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to, what do I want to use that Dusty Rose. Again, I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eyes and my waterline. So I use my tapered fluffy brush. And then I'm going to use this brush, just, what color am I going to use? I'm going to use that glistening one right there. I'm just going to use that in the inner corner of my eye, just to make it look a little shimmery there. And bring it down underneath my waterline, about like halfway, and blend it in with that Dusty Rose color that's there. On my eyelid. Right, now I'll finish off with some mascara. And I always use that one. And I'll use that on my lower lashes. And then my upper lashes as well, just to blend my false lashes in with my natural ones. For lips, I was gonna switch it up and do something different, but I feel like since my eyes are so dark, I need kind of like a lighter color, so I'm gonna use my birthday suit Tartist color. Because it just goes with everything. I swear I'll do a different lip sometime. It'll happen eventually. This is the final look here. I hope you guys did enjoy my video. I know I'll be doing a lot more of looks with that Soft Glam palette because I loved it. It was gorgeous. So yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching.